In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter list of values in Power BI. We'll use a simple, built-in text-based list slicer to quickly narrow down your report to the items you care about. This approach is great for creating fast, intuitive filtering without writing any code or building complex logic. First, open your report and look to the Visualizations pane. Click the list slicer to add it to your report canvas. You'll see a blank slicer frame appear. Place it where it makes the most sense for your layout, and resize it so users can comfortably see and interact with the values. Next, tell the slicer which data it should filter. In the Fields area, select or drag the column you want people to search through, like product name, category, region, or any other text-based field. This choice matters. Pick a field that makes sense to filter your other visuals by. For example, if most of your charts break down results by category, use that category column in the slicer so the selection lines up with the rest of the page. If the column contains a very large number of unique values, consider whether that's the most helpful field to filter by. Concise, meaningful lists make for a better user experience. Once your field is added, the magic is immediate. The slicer shows a list of values from that column, and there's a search box at the top. Start typing a keyword or partial value, and the list will narrow in real time. When you select a value, Power BI automatically filters the other visuals on the page to show only the data matching that selection. This works because slicers are designed to interact with your visuals by default, using the relationships in your data model. Typing a few letters is usually enough. The search is case-insensitive and matches anywhere in the value, which makes it forgiving and fast. If you ever notice a visual doesn't respond, it typically means that visual isn't related to the slicer's field in the data model or has custom interactions set differently. That's not something we'll change here, but it's good to be aware of as you design more advanced reports. And that's it. You added a list slicer, connected it to the right field, and used the built-in search to filter your entire report with a few keystrokes. It's a simple technique that makes your Power BI dashboards feel more interactive and easy to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building faster, clearer filters with the text slicer.